Hello there, I'm Sebi from Holotech Studios, and in this video I will teach you how to import a prop into the Animaze editor and export it to the Animaze mobile app. Props include avatar accessories like hats, glasses, and mustaches that can be applied to multiple avatars. We will be importing a sample prop, in this case a crown, which you can download from our website to follow along. Go to animaze.us/editor and click Download Sample Avatars. Now, let's get started. Open the Animaze editor on your PC. Take note of the hierarchy panel on the left side of the screen, the viewport in the center, and the editor panel on the right. To start importing your prop, click the Assets tab in the top menu bar and select Import 3D Object. Next, navigate to the folder storing the prop files. The file name you're looking for is propcrowntest.fbx, so go ahead and double-click it or select it and hit Open. Make sure the .fbx file, the Animations folder, and the Textures folder are all checked. This will ensure you import not only the prop's model files, but associated textures and animations as well. You'll also want to make sure that the Import As selector in the bottom left corner is set to prop. Looks good, let's move on. Go ahead and click Import. The editor will begin loading the prop immediately. Once the process is complete, the editor will display a report of import issues. The report checks for skeletal animations which our prop doesn't have or need. You can simply click the X in the top right corner to close the issue list and move on. After that, you'll see the full import log. This log surfaces errors that assist in debugging. For now, click OK to dismiss it. Great, you have successfully imported a new prop. Now, let's check its parameters to ensure it works properly when used with different avatars. Click the plus icon next to free items in the hierarchy panel and select the prop's name. Its details will appear in the editor panel on the right. Now we need to apply the right tag to our prop. The tag determines where the prop will attach to each avatar. For example, if we select the glasses tag, it will attach to the middle of the avatar's face. For the crown, we want to use the hat tag, which will attach the prop to the top of the avatar's head, so go ahead and select it from the drop-down menu. The next step is to change the size of the prop so it will function as intended on mobile and fit most of our avatars. When you import a prop into the editor, its actual size may vary. It may be too big to fit the view or even fail to attach correctly to an avatar. Use the grid's lines in the viewport to determine the right size. Keep in mind that most avatars are between 1 and 2 squares in both width and height, so let's resize the crown accordingly. Go to the item scale selector on the right and change the value from 1 to 0.10. Now that our prop is shrunk, let's reset the camera to view it properly. Right-click on the prop's name in the hierarchy panel and select Reset Camera. You can use the scroll wheel to zoom in and click and drag the left mouse button to orientate the camera until the prop is clearly in view. Item scaling isn't the only way to change the size of your prop. It also needs scaling animations, which allows users to adjust the size of the prop within the mobile app, so they can fine-tune it to match their avatar. Let's head to the editor panel, scroll down to customization options, and click the shelf to expand it. Click Add New Customization option, select Animation Customization, and hit OK. Click the Animation Customization tab to expand it, then go to Browse, find the source folder that contains the prop's .fbx file, and open the Animations folder. Now, let's select the scaling animation called Modify Proportions_Scale and click Open. Let's go to the editor panel again and click Compute Default Value. This will calculate the middle range of the scaling animation. It evaluates the animation in 1000 samples and checks each sample pose against the default pose to find an exact match. Once found, it automatically fills the value text box with the percentage of the animation where it matches the default pose. For the scaling animation, this is right in the middle, so user can scale it up or down in equal amounts. It's time to save our work. Right-click the prop's name in the hierarchy panel and select Save Item. If you exit the Animaze editor without saving, all your progress will be lost and you'll need to redo the previous steps, so keep that in mind. In order for the prop to be recognized by the Animaze mobile app, you need to create an icon image for the prop. The easiest way to do it is to take a screenshot of the prop in the viewport and use any image editing software to save it as a .png file. The icon must be square and follow the naming convention of icon_prop name. Let's call the sample prop icon_propcrowntest.png. Next, place the icon in the prop's resource folder and a pop-up will appear asking you to re-import. Go ahead and click yes, and we're ready to export it to the mobile app. All good so far. But before we move on, make sure that the iPhone running the Animaze app and the PC running the Animaze editor are connected to the same Wi-Fi or LAN network. You'll also need access to our Artist Pass subscription in the mobile app. Ensure you have purchased the subscription before continuing. If you received a promo code for the Artist Pass, now is the perfect time to redeem it. Let's connect our devices. Go to Tools and select Local Connect. Now click Start and the editor will generate a QR code. The QR code will be displayed until you click the Stop button. For now, leave the QR code up. Next, open the Animaze app on your iPhone. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner and select to restore purchases to make sure your Artist Pass subscription is active. All you have to do now is tap the blue text that says Connect next to Connect the Editor, point the iPhone's camera at the QR code, and that's it, we're now connected to the editor. You will see a confirmation message in both the app and the editor. Now head back to the Animaze editor, right-click on the prop's name and select Send to Device. A pop-up will appear on your iPhone, so go ahead and tap Yes, and the file transfer will begin immediately. Once the transfer is complete, you'll once again see a confirmation message in both the app and the editor. To use your new prop, tap the Avatars button on the home screen of the mobile app, select an avatar, and tap the paintbrush icon to customize it. On the bottom menu, tap the Hat section, select your newly imported prop, and customize it to your heart's content. Once you're happy with it, tap the green checkmark to add it to your avatar. And that's it! Why not record a quick video to show it off? Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them on our Discord server or email us at support@animaze.us. All the best from everybody here at Holotech Studios.